In this video, you'll learn how to build a minimum viable product or MVP using Base44. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of the steps required to create your MVP effectively. Begin by navigating to the Base44 website, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Base44. Once the page loads, you will be presented with the Base44 interface, which features various options and tools designed for app development. Next, locate the search bar on the main page. In this search bar, type the phrase create MVP and press the enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate a search, and shortly thereafter, you will see a list of relevant results displayed on your screen. After that, click on the result labeled Building Your Idea. This option will direct you to a new screen that outlines the MVP creation process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information presented here before proceeding. Once this appears, you will see a prompt that says, I'd be happy to help you create an MVP, but first, I need to understand what kind of app you'd like to build. Click on this prompt to continue. This step is essential as it sets the foundation for your MVP project by gathering your requirements. Following this, you will encounter another question asking, what type of app would you like to create? Click on this option to specify the category of your app. This selection will help tailor the MVP to suit your needs. Next, select task/project management from the available options. This choice will guide Base44 in providing you with the right tools and templates for your project. Ensure you have a clear idea of your app's purpose before making this selection. After you've made your selection, click on the Next button. This action will transition you to the next stage of the MVP creation process. You may notice a brief loading indicator while the system processes your request. Now, you will be prompted to choose between different usage types. Click on Just Me, Personal Use, to indicate that this MVP is intended for personal projects. This selection is crucial for setting the appropriate permissions and features for your app. Once you've made this selection, proceed by clicking on the Submit button. This action finalizes your choices and will initiate the creation of your MVP. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your submission was successful. Next, click on the option labeled Highlight. This feature allows you to emphasize important aspects of your MVP, ensuring that key functionalities stand out. This step is vital for guiding users through your app. Then, click on AI chat or prompts. This option will enable you to integrate AI capabilities into your MVP, enhancing its functionality. Pay attention to any additional setup options that may appear after this selection. Finally, click on the statement that says, I'll create a personal task management MVP with a clean, elegant design. Here's my plan. This action will confirm your intent and finalize the details of your project, preparing you for the next steps in the development process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.